Hi, hello, good morning everyone. How are you all? I am pretty good. This is Sadhana. Welcome to Old is Good. Today's recipe is today I am going to prepare laddu with balanced diet. Yes. What is balanced diet? Before going to preparation of the laddu, we have to know about the balanced diet. Balanced diet is nothing but contains the food carbohydrates, proteins, fats and some of the minerals and roughages. This is called as balanced diet. All the human beings have to take the balanced diet. Now I am going to prepare balanced diet with the help of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates which are used finger millets. These are finger millets, ragulu and proteins. Proteins are red gram dals. It contains a lot of protein, carbohydrates and fats also. Some of the roughages also present in the and fats means peanuts, groundnuts. Peanuts contains fats, proteins, some of the vitamins and carbohydrates also present in this peanuts. And finger millets, these are very small but these millets have a lot of beneficiary nutrients. Mainly calcium and magnesium is present in the finger millets and it is very helpful to the strengthening of the bones. With these ingredients and I added jaggery for the sweetness. Not only for the sweetness, it also have a lot of nutrients for our health. Already I told in the previous episodes, previous videos about the jaggery and some of the ghee. Ghee also very useful to us. 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. Daily we have to take 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. It is very good for health. These are the ingredients. Now we have to prepare the laddu. 3/4 cup and 1 cup of groundnuts or peanuts, jaggery, some of the jaggery for the sweetness. These are the ingredients. Now we have to roast all these ingredients. Okay, let us start our recipe. Now place a pan on the stove, iron kadai. Iron kadai is good for health. And after heating the pan, adding finger millet and roast it well. Finger millets is considered one of the most nutritious cereals. It contains 65 to 75% of carbohydrates, proteins, 15 to 20% of dietary fibers, minerals. Finger millets an excellent source of natural calcium which helps in strengthening of bones for growing children and aging people. See friends, now finger millets have been roasted well. I am roasting the finger millets in a low flame, you see. And now we remove the millets and transferring into the another bowl. Put the same kadai back on heat and add red gram dal and roast it well. When we are roasting red gram dal, that color change into reddish brown color, and when the dal turned into reddish brown color, we removing from the kadai and transferring into the another bowl. You see, I am transferring into the another bowl. Okay friends, again put the kadai back on heat, transferring the peanuts or groundnuts. This is also roasted well in the low flame. All the ingredients which are used in the preparation of laddu with the balanced diet, these are all roasted well and transferring into the bowls. All the ingredients are prepared, are roasted well, and see, all the items have been roasted well, and then I am transferring into the blender jar. See friends, all the ingredients are prepared well. Now I am transferring into the blender jar one by one. I am adding finger millets into the blender jar and grinding into a powder. You see, this is turned into a powder. Now I am adding peanuts. One by one, peanuts, red gram dal. I am adding red gram dal. This is also turned into a powder. Now I am adding jaggery for the sweetness. This is sticky and these are all the mixed well and turned into a powder. You see, mix everything very well together. Now just I added 2 teaspoons of ghee. I am adding 2 teaspoons of ghee to this powder and again mix it very well. I am mixing the powder without lumps. See friends, you also do same like this. Now shape the round like structures and keep them into a bowl. Remaining powder, with the remaining powder you may prepare laddus. Okay friends, those who are watching this video, if you like this recipe, you also prepare and you also enjoy with this recipe. Okay friends, all the remaining powder prepared into the laddu. It contains a lot of iron, lot of carbohydrates, lot of nutrients. Okay friends, we prepared a laddu, balanced diet. Laddu with balanced diet. Simple ingredients. Within short time, we prepared a lot of nutrients. It has a lot of nutrients. We prepared this laddu. If you like this recipe, if you like this video, please friends, like, share, subscribe and share with your friends. We will meet again with another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Bye.